In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a paid annual leave pay item. We'll be working inside Xero Payroll, and I'll walk you through the full process, from creating the leave pay item to assigning it to an employee, so it's actually ready to use in your pay runs. Start by logging into your Xero organization. From your main dashboard, look for the payroll option in the main menu. Go ahead and click on payroll to open the payroll area. This is where all of your payroll configuration and employee information lives. Next, within the payroll menu, click on payroll settings. This section controls the core setup for how your payroll works, including things like pay calendars, holidays, and pay items. Once you're in payroll settings, find and click on pay items. Pay items are the building blocks of your payroll. They tell Xero how to treat different types of earnings, deductions, and leave. Inside the Pay Items area, look for the Leave tab and click on Leave. This shows you all the existing leave types you already have in your organization, such as annual leave, sick leave, or any custom leave types you've created. To add a new one, click on the Add button. A menu will appear asking what kind of leave you want to set up. Choose Paid Leave, since we're setting up a paid annual leave pay item. This tells Xero that this leave will be paid and should be included in payroll calculations. You'll now see a form where you can fill in the details for this new leave type. Enter a clear name, like paid annual leave, and complete any required fields, such as the type, how it's accrued, and how it's paid. Make sure the settings match your company policy and any local legislation you need to follow. When you're happy with the setup, click Add to save the new paid annual leave item. Now that the leave type exists, we need to assign it to employees. At the top of the screen, click on Payroll again to go back to the main payroll menu, then click on Employees. This will show you a list of all your employees in Xero. Select the employee you want to assign this leave to by clicking on their name. Inside their profile, go to the Leave tab. Here, you'll see the leave types currently assigned to that employee. Click on Assign Leave Type. Xero will guide you with on-screen prompts so you can choose the new paid annual leave type. Set opening balances or entitlement details if needed, and confirm the settings. Follow each prompt carefully and save your changes. Once that's done, your paid annual leave pay item is fully set up and correctly assigned, and you'll be able to use it in future pay runs.